third world countries, 911 does not exist. Even the most basic medicine is unavailable, and in most regions, medical clinics are a day's journey by foot. Children that are dying could be saved by simple preventative measures. Through the years, MegaCare has provided medical attention to the poor and disadvantaged. Our village medical camps have drawn thousands of people suffering from various diseases. Many walk very long distances for help, and most experience their first medical exam by a qualified doctor. In one rural medical camp, a young mother that had given birth could not stop bleeding. She heard about the camp and began her long journey for help. In her weakened state, she passed out in the road. Some passers-by stopped to be of assistance. She said, "If you can get me to the medical camp, I know I can be helped." MegaCare doctors urgently cared for the mother, stopped the bleeding, and gave transport to a nearby hospital. Thanks to MegaCare, the lives of the mother and her baby were saved that day. In a slum in Kenya, a clinic was built for a population that had never been examined by a doctor. Because of your generous gifts, MegaCare completed the 2-story Bishop T.D. Jakes wing of Melchizedek Hospital in Nairobi, Kenya. The new wing provides medical attention to a nearby slum with a population of 800,000. The facility provides labor and delivery rooms, surgery and recovery rooms, ICU, HIV/AIDS testing, post-counseling, antiretroviral drug distribution, and hospice care. Because you cared, a shipping container filled with hospital equipment, provisions, and medicine furnished and supplied the new wing for active service. Here in the United States, MegaCare health fairs have provided screenings, testing, and education for living healthier lifestyles. MegaCare has also partnered with the American Red Cross for blood drives, saving 2,000 lives as a result. Your donations allow us to continue to help those who cannot help themselves. Your contribution to MegaCare is saving lives at home and around the world. In many places around the world, MegaCare is answering the 911 call. Thank you for your continual support.